Welcome all. In this video, we are discussing about the exam AZ900, which is Microsoft Azure Fundamental Exam. In the last video, I had discussed what is certification and benefits of the certification for retaining the job as well as getting a new job also. Now, this is a small sample certificate of mine which has been just placed for your referral. So it is better to get certified by the Microsoft or the Oracle or maybe by the Amazon in the respective technologies instead of getting certified from some institution. From institution you can learn, but you prefer to have a certification from the certification bodies. Now, what is Azure? Simply, I can say Microsoft Azure is a cloud platform. There are various cloud service provider companies are there, namely Amazon, that is AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. And we can see the figure properly. The major market is captured by Amazon and Microsoft. And Microsoft is aggressively promoting its cloud platform named Azure. So there will be a lot of openings available for the Azure cloud platform also. So it is advisable to get certified at least at the beginning level, that is called as the fundamental level of the exam. Now the question in your mind that how can we get certified and from where we can learn the Microsoft Azure. Now I had created, please remember that different levels are fundamental levels, associate levels, expert level and specialty level, and each level the exam numbers are being shown over here. To get a free voucher from the Microsoft to prepare free with the Microsoft, I had prepared some few links. The first link is about the Microsoft Learning Path. So these all links are given in description also. You can definitely view to all these links. So when you're coming towards the Microsoft certifications learning path, you will understand what is exactly this AZ900 is, what kind of skills are required, what is the cost of this particular examination. Now, if you're planning to go to India, the cost is 3,696 rupees. I will be telling you how you can get it free of cost also. Now, how you can prepare and appear for the examination either by using Certiport or by using the Pearson View. Moving ahead, how the skills are being measured, describing the cloud concept, describing the core Azure services, describe core solutions and management tool, and a percentage of the question which are asked for each of the every skills. Even you can download the exam skill outline also from here. Microsoft Learning Path allows you to prepare online free training. So good material is given by Microsoft. Practical oriented material is also given by Microsoft. You can just go towards each and every learning path and you can understand how to prepare for this module. For example, if I'm going towards Azure Fundamental Part 1, describe cloud concept and the core Azure concept, you'll find you can move ahead with the parts and you can get details of these all parts. So I'm moving towards this particular cloud path. I can start this particular learning. You'll find there are 8 modules are given. Even if they are telling you how much time you require to learn this particular module. So this is a very nice way by which you can prepare for your AZ900 exam syllabus free of charge with the Microsoft Learning Path. Similarly, I had given you the link for Microsoft training events. So you can give a click on this particular Microsoft training events and you will find that a lot of virtual training days are given by Microsoft. And let's try to find whether we are getting any kind of good training day for us or not. So this is what all about. The first is Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day Fundamentals, right? On May 19th and May 20th, you'll find the virtual training of fundamentals going to appear. Uh, you can get trained also. At least you have to attend that particular workshop. You can register by filling this particular registration form. You may give a thought, sir, what should be a job role? You can specify the student as a job role and the institution name as a company name. Not a issue. So there are 2 parts in which this training is getting conducted, and at the end of this training, you are getting a free voucher of the exam from the Microsoft. which you can redeem towards what your exam center. So this is the way by which you are allowed to get the free virtual training also, as well as the voucher also, which is valid approximately for 5 attempts. Many of the vouchers are valid only for 1 attempt, but this voucher is valid for 5 attempts. But don't try these many attempts, because Microsoft may change the policy for the voucher also. They might give you 1 attempt only. So prepared for the exam properly, prepared for the material properly. And once you're prepared with your understanding of the concept, as well as you had completed your event, then slowly, what you can do, you can just purchase my course from the Udemy. It is a practice test course. So a link has been given on the practice test course also. I will just show you how this particular practice test course looks like. It is just examination. And what I've done purposely, I had developed 6 tests. What I developed over here, 6 tests, and each test will be dedicated for a specific module. For example, as I told you earlier, that there are various modules which have been available in this Microsoft Learning Path, and the skills are being measured. Let's see. The skills are being measured, like describe the cloud concept. So my first examination will find as describe the cloud concept, and you can test your proficiency and your knowledge with the help of the test, even if I had given the explanation of the questions also. So that will be helping you a lot for the sake of preparing for the Azure fundamental practice test. So try to buy the course also from me. It is with a discounted price, don't worry. So you get trained virtually with the Microsoft, get a free voucher which is worth of 3,600 rupees. Along with that, you can get free training on online with the help of Microsoft, and you can prepare well with the help of my practice test course of Azure AZ900 on Udemy. So all 3 links are given in the description. So I will just request you that please follow these all the 3 links. Please subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon. So in the next video, I will be discussing about the another certification of the Microsoft and how you can prepare for that certifications also. Thanks a lot. So stay tuned with us.